So here's a quick video. That is me right there towards the end of not really taking care of myself. So yeah, I'm pretty proud to say, things are changed. Life has gotten a lot better. I've made some life changes a couple years back, and things have drastically changed. The first major decision was quitting drinking alcohol on October 17th and 18th into the morning of 2018. That's been one of the best decisions of my life. So I showed you that picture just to show you what it looks like when you decide to not, take care of yourself, essentially. I'm still not saying I'm the best at it, but at least I got my hair cut, and I feel overall I'm doing pretty well. I'm look a lot better than I did there. So either way, the other reason, this is a sweet freaking printer. So we got that sucker yesterday because our HP, after 10 years, 11 years, it finally took a crap. I was pretty impressed with the results. For being an Epson, it's an Epson Workforce WF2850 Wi-Fi edition, and I'm going to put a link in the description below. But that was the quality of the product that produced for us here. That was the first color picture because I'm applying for something I need to use my ID to do so. But we had printed that out and it had worked pretty well. So I'm impressed. I don't really plan to continue using the color function of this printer per se, but so far so good. I was very happy with the HP, but my new admin assistant had recommended trying this out. And for the cost, I'm very impressed with what it is. We'll leave a description below. We paid roughly $70 for it, I believe, actually. It was almost too cheap to be expected to be that great, but it's a scanner, printer, faxer, all in one. And then it has the double-sided print function, as well as I think it has a 30 or I believe it's a 30 feed auto feed scanner part. But it's really cool. It connected all to all of our devices relatively quick. I just have, well, I have two more I'd like to try, but the first couple that we have connected have went very smooth, so I would imagine the rest will as well. But yeah, it's an Epson Workforce 2850. It's the most cost-effective on the market, especially within the Epson line. And the ink, on the other hand, is also, they have generics on Amazon as well as the genuine brand, and they are both also one of the more cost-effective ones. I always look at ink, and that is going to be the most expensive part of a printer, is the amount that the ink costs, because the last one for me lasted 11 years. So if I would add up all the ink we purchased, I'm grateful that that had been a very efficient one, and so does this appear to be. So leave a link in the description below for the ink cartridges we're about to buy to replenish ours when these test cartridges go weak, or well, when they're done. And then we will also leave a link in the description below for this particular printer, and hopefully you like it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, any things that go wrong with yours that I should be aware of for when it happens, because it sucks when it goes down and you're trying to print that invoice for your customer and you don't have the printer. You don't realize you rely on it until then moments. Alrighty guys, peace.